Could you repeat that? I'm
Oh, okay,
taping, so
okay,
yeah.
that's no problem. So these are our one-bedroom units with a pool view. Um, and basically they have a living area that is separate from its bedroom. So you have a full couch, a full sofa. You either have a king or two queens in the bedroom, and there is a dining table, and you have full kitchens available in our one-bedroom unit. So they have a 4-pit stove, and they have a full refrigerator as well, so that you're able to cook during your stay in case you want.
And feel at home.
Yes.
At
Your
home.
own casita in the Caribbean.
Yes. And it is beautiful. It smells wonderful in here. It smells clean. And that's something you can appreciate, especially in these times.
Absolutely. We have an extensive program on health and safety and obviously in cleanliness. So we work with Ecolab products that you might be used to also in the US, but they're really certified to be good against, the coronavirus and any type of virus in general. So we work with that, and our housekeeping team, uses those. And further, we design things like, for example, a property that is fully gated, so you have the option with your room key to enter. We also have your room key available on your mobile device, so in case you don't want to come, in the lobby area where you might think that there are more people and things like that, then you're able to come on property with your key already downloaded on your phone, and then you're able to just walk to your casita because we already provide you most of the information up front, so you know where you're staying.
Yes, it's very convenient.
Yeah, so it makes it a lot easier at least. So you have also an entrance here from the bathroom to your own bedroom.
And it's beautiful. Beautiful Caribbean colors. Just a sense of peace and serenity and comfort and cleanliness. Excellent social distancing. Vacation option.
And we work together with Eduardo's, so they are our exclusive F&B partner, and they serve an amazing, healthy, but also hearty breakfast to your patio here outside. So
Yes.
it's super nice. It's basically a room service. And yes, they are also offering that exclusively in the plunge pool casita, which is really nice in a floating tray. So you have there that little pool inside your garden, and you're able to order that as a floating breakfast, which is really nice. So that is new for us, and we will also be starting with Eduardo services on our beach area. So we have a beach area on Palm Beach, like I mentioned.
Yes.
Where you have nice palapas that you can rent. They're yours for that day, and Eduardo is able to deliver that lunch to your palapa there, so you can just unwind on the beach.
Yes, and that's a wonderful experience. And I must add, we did walk over to the beach the first night we arrived. And the closeness and the convenience of the Marriott and where you're situated and access to the beach.
Yeah.
So we had our first dinner at the beach restaurant, the one that starts with an A. Is it?
Atardi?
Yes, thank you. So that was an easy walk for me, and my knees are not what they used to be, so I was able to walk it and then walk back after an excellent meal. So that's another option that it's very convenient to.
Yes, I mean you're basically here in Palm Beach area, which is a very lively area if you look at the options on restaurants and where to go, what to eat. So that's super nice. We also have an exclusive agreement with the Ritz-Carlton where you can have F&B services at the discounted rate. And for example, their Madero Beach Bar, which is on the side of the beach. But like I mentioned, and you also experienced that it's an easy walk, and you're right there. So back. You come back here in this
Yes.
tranquil oasis, right? So that's nice. You have the hustle and the bustle, and then you come here and you can unwind more.
Great. And we're right here outside of, and again, this is the pool view category, correct?
Correct, yes. So this is a one bedroom with a pool view.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're right here at the pool. But we also have these units spread out through our coconut plantation. So you will also have them in the back of the property, and then you're looking at a beautiful garden instead of the pool.
Okay. Well, Sherry, thank you very much
You're welcome.
for this site visit of this
Very
unit.
welcome.
And it is very informative. So, guys, you know what to do. Contact me when you're ready to come visit a beautiful Aruba and stay at the Boardwalk Boutique Hotel in Aruba. Check back with you later.